the 31st term of an AP, whose 11th term is 38 and 16th term is 73. So in the last class we have discussed how to write the nth term of an AP. So what is the formula to write nth term of an AP? AN is equal to, how you write nth term of an AP?
A plus
Yes, tell me.
into
A
D.
plus n minus 1 into D. So this is the formula we use to write the nth term of an arithmetic progression. Okay. So nth term of an arithmetic progression is given by an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now what is the question we have? Seventh question. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38. A11 is given, that is 38. And the 16th term is 73. A16 is given 73. What you should find in that 31st term you should find. Now how you can write A11? A11 can be written as A plus 10D. So that is equal to, we get it as 38. This we'll take it as equation 1. And now A16. How you can write A16? A plus 15D is equals to 73. This I'm going to take it as equation 2. Now if you observe in this, what we have in these two equations, here also A we have, here also A we have. So what we can do, subtract equation 2 from 1. Subtract equation 2. Equation 2 minus 1. So what you get if you subtract equation 2 and 1? What we have here, equation 2 is A plus 15D. A plus 15D minus what we have, equation 1, A plus 10D we have. So that if you write it minus sign, you get minus A minus 10D. That is equal to, what you have in equation 2 RHS, 73. So here 73 minus equation 1, what you have, 38. So this you'll write it as 38. Now what you can cancel in this, observe carefully children. What is there to cancel?
A.
A, yes, plus A minus A will get cancelled. Now 15D minus 10D, what do you get? 5D. 73 minus 38. 35. So from this what you get, D value? 35 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 sevens are 35. D value what you get? 7. Now you got common difference as 7. This you can put in equation 1. Put in equation 1. So if you put that in equation 1, what is the equation 1 you have? A plus 10D is equals to 38. So that is A plus 10D is equals to 38. Now you got D value as 7. So that is A plus 10, D place nalli 7 apart. So that is equal to 38. Now A plus 70 is equals to 38. So what you get A value? 38 minus 70. What is A value?
32 miss.
You got it as minus 32. A value you got it as minus 32 and D value you got it as 7. What was asked for you to find? A31. So how you will find A31? A31 can be written as A plus n minus 1 into D. Or A what value what we have? that is minus 32. So here in place of A, you should write minus 32 plus n minus 1. This is 31 minus 1 into D value what you got? 7. So D value 7 you should put here. This is minus 32 plus 31 minus 1 is 30 into 7. So minus 32 plus 30 into 7 to 10. So if you subtract what you are getting, 210 minus 32, 178. Are you getting 178? So A31, I've asked you to find out A31. So A31 is equals to 178. Is it clear, children? So in this way you should solve the problems. Completed all of you?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So this is 7th question. What is given that you should understand? The equation ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ? First 11th term ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So 11th term ಕೊಟ್ರೆ first you should write 11th term, then 16th term, then you should find 31st term. 11th term A plus n minus 1 into D. A plus n minus 1 into D ಅಂದ್ರೆ A we don't know. So write A as it is. Now n minus 1. n minus 1 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? 11 minus 1, 10. So I am writing it directly. 10D is equals to 38 as it is. Now A16. A16 andre ಏನು? A plus A as it is you are going to write 16 minus 1. So that is you get it as 15D, that is equal to 73. So first if you are able to write like this equations, then your problem is half done in that. Okay? Understood all of you?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Then next we'll see 8th problem. What is the 8th question we have? See a textbook all of you. An AP consists of 50 terms, out of which third term is 12 and last term is 106. Find the 29th term. So ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ last term ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Last term if it is given, what kind of AP it is? When you get the last term, finite AP or infinite AP? If you know the last term of an AP, we call it as it is a finite AP.
Miss.
Yes, so it is a finite AP. Now how many terms are there in this AP? 50 terms are there. So 50 terms nalli third term is 12 and last term they have given. Last term means if there are 50 terms, then the last term will be A50 and that is equals to 106. Now you should find what is the 29th term. So A29 you should find in this. A29 you should find in this. Now here third term is 12. This is just like the previous 7th question how you did. Can anyone tell me how you write A3?
A plus 2D, miss.
A plus 2D, very good. So A plus 2D is equals to 12. And how you write A50?
Miss A plus 49D.
A.
Yes, A plus 49D.
A plus 40.
That is equal to 106. Now I am going to take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. Next step, what I should do?
Subtract equation 2 minus 1.
Yes, subtract 2 minus 1. So you should subtract 2 minus 1. So what I should write first? A plus 49D minus A minus 2D, that is equal to what we got, 106 minus 12. Now what you can cancel in this?
And D, miss.
So plus A minus A will get cancelled. Next 49D minus 2D.
Miss 47D, miss.
47D. Now 106 minus 12.
Miss 94, miss.
94. Now what is D value?
Miss 94 by 47, miss.
What do you get? 94 by
47
47.
on the 47 2 the miss.
Very good.
47 on the
47
47 2 the miss.
So D value you got it as 2. Next what I should do? Where we should substitute this?
Miss A
First
plus
equation.
D plus, miss.
Or it,
First equation.
so which is smaller one, that in that if you take, then you will get easy to, it will be easy for you to do calculation. So till equation 1. So what is equation 1 we have? A plus 2D is equals to 12. So in that A plus 2D is equals to 12. Now A plus 2, in place of D what we got, D value is 2. So I'm going to write here 2 is equals to 12. Now A plus 4 is equals to 12. A is equals to 12 minus 4. So what you get? A is equals to 12 minus 4 is 8. Now you got A value and D value. What they have asked you to find, what is A29? How you can write A29? A29 can be written as A plus
28D,
N
miss.
minus
28D, miss.
28. Very good. So A value we have 8 plus 28 into D value we have 2. So what you get the final answer? 8 plus 28 into 2.
56,
56,
miss.
miss.
6. So finally what is A29? 29th term is
64, miss.
64, miss.
64. Understood, children? So in this way you should solve the problems. Okay? So A29 is equals to 64. Okay? So this is the solution we have for 8th question. Next, we'll move on to the 9th question. So what is 9th question we have? If the third and ninth terms of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of this AP is 0? Try to understand, children. In the previous question, they have given the terms and they have asked you to find. So 29th term anta kottidare. That 29th term you should find. But in this question, they have already given what is the term. The nth term. So n value you should find in this. So to find this, what you will do? First, we need what is A and what is D. So ninth question, what is given first that you should take? A3 is equals to 4. A3, ninth question. So all of you have you written the 7th and 8th question in your notes? Have you written that solutions of 7th and 8th question in your notes, all of you?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So by mistake I erased that. Okay. So now ninth term, ninth question. Third term is 4 and ninth term A9 is minus 8. You should find out what is the which term of the NAP is 0. So we don't know n value, so that value is given as 0. Now you should find here n value. So to find n value also we need what is A and what is B. Now tell me what is the next step, what I should do. A3 is equals to 4. That can be written as,
A plus
A
2D
plus 2D
means
is equal to 4, miss.
yes, very good. A plus
equal to
2 is
3.
equal to 4. Next, A9 is equals to minus 8.
A plus
A plus
8D is equal to minus 8, miss.
minus 8.
8, 8b is equals to minus 8. This will take it as equation 1 and this will take it as equation 2. What I should do now next?
Subtracting 2 minus 1 means
Yes, subtract 2 minus 1. If you subtract 2 minus 1, what you get? A plus 8b minus A minus 2b is equals to minus 8 minus 4. Now what you can cancel in that? Plus A minus A get cancelled. So what is left out? 8D minus 2D. So that is equal to,
6D, miss.
yes, 6D is equal to minus 8 minus 4.
12.
Did you get minus
Miss
4?
minus 12, miss.
Minus 12.
Equals to minus 12 by 6. 6 ones are
Minus
6
2,
twos
miss.
are.
2 by 1, miss.
What is it? Minus 2. Now how you can find what is A value? Put that in equation 1. Now what is equation 1? We have A plus 2D is equals to 4. Now A plus 2 into, in place of D, what we have? Minus 2, that is equal to 4. If you simplify this, what you get? A minus 4 equals to 4. Again, don't cancel this 4 and minus 4, okay? So you should take to this 4 on RHS. You get A equals to 4 plus 4. So that is equal to 8. So A value you got it as 8. Now what they have asked you to find, what is n value? An is equals to 0 they have given. What is the formula we know? An is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. We don't know what is n value, but An is given, that is 0. And A value what we got, that is 8. A value we got it as 8 plus n minus 1. We don't know what is n, so I write as it is n minus 1. D value we have minus 2. So this will write it as minus 2. So if you just simplify this, what you get? 0 is equals to 8 minus 2n minus into minus plus 2. So what you get if you shift this 2n on RHS to LHS, so what you get? 2n is equals to 8 plus 2. What you have? That is 10. So n value is 10 by 2. So 2 ones are, 2 5s are. N value you got it as 5. So fifth term is 0. You should write the conclusion. Therefore, fifth term is 0. Understood, children? Completed all of you? So here, ninth question, they have given you to find out what is, which term of the AP is 0. So when which term is given, you should take it as an. An is equal to 0, and you should find out the nth value in this question. Okay. Next, 10th question. All of you completed this? Okay. 10th question. The 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. find the common difference. So what is given here? 17th term of an AP exceeds its 10th term. 10th term means you should write it as A10 by how much it is exceeding? 7. You should find out what is the common difference. Now it is just you should find out the common difference in this. Question is easy. Try to understand the question first when you get like this. 17th term of an AP. So 17th term of an AP, we are writing it as A17. That is equal to 10th term by 7. So it is exceeding 10th term by 7 means A10 plus 7. So now what you can write in place of A17? A17 can be written as
A plus 16.
It's A plus 15D.
now A10 can be written as
A plus 9D, miss.
A plus 9.
A plus 9D plus 7 as it is. Now we'll shift this total towards RHS to LHS. So what you get? A plus 16D minus A minus 9D is equals to 7.
7D
Now
miss.
can you cancel anything in this? Try to check whether can you cancel anything in this.
Miss, plus A minus A gets cancelled.
Gets cancelled. So plus A minus A gets cancelled. What is 16D minus 9D?
Miss. 7, miss.
Yes, 7D is equals to 7 you got. Now what is D value? 7 by 7. 7 ones are 7 ones are. So what you got D value? That is equal to 1. So they have asked you to find out what is the common difference. So you got common difference value is 1. When you get exceeds or if it is less than, if you get less than, you should take their negative minus sign. If you get their exceeds, then you should write their plus. If it is times, if it is given 5 times 10th term, so you should write 5 into 10, A10. So you should understand that question properly. So if it is given exceeds anta kotre plus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. 5 times anta kotre times anta kotre 5 times the 10th term anta kotre 5 into 10 anta ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. If it is less than anta kotre minus ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, so you should understand the question properly. Now 10th question completed all of you. Next moving on to the 11th question. So what is the 11th question we have? Which term of the AP 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on will be 132 more than its 54th term? Now here AP is given 3, 15, 27, 39 and so on is given. Now can you tell me first what kind of AP it is? If dots are given like that.
Infinite, Miss. Infinite AP,
Yes.
Miss.
Infinite.
It is infinite AP. Because when you don't know which is the last term, you call it as an infinite AP. Now what is given here? Which term of the AP? When you get which term anta bandide andre you don't know what is AN. You should write down directly AN. Which term of the AP will be 132 more than? 132 more than andre enu? 132 more than means plus. It's 54th term. What you write? 54th term andre A54 baribeku. So now from the given AP, what are the things you can find out? From
Miss,
this
A54 candidate, miss.
First you should find what is A. What is A in this? In the given AP, what is A? First term?
3.
Yes,
3,
very
miss.
good. 3. Common difference A2 minus A1. What do you get common difference? 15 minus 3.
12,
So
miss.
D value 12, very good. So D value you got it as 12 and A value is 13. Now from this you can find out what is A54. How you write A54? A plus
A plus
53.
53.
53D, miss.
53. A plus 53D.
And D value 50 into 12. Yes, simplify this and tell me the answer. What you get A54? 3 plus 53 into 12. What do you get? Are you getting 636?
Yes,
3
miss.
plus 600.
Yes, miss.
Okay. So now what you get A54 is equals to 3 plus 636 can be written as 639.
639, miss.
So you got now what is A34? So A54. What is the condition given for us? AN is equals to 132 plus A54. AN is equals to 132 plus 639, because here once again I'll write 132 plus A54 we have. So what is AN you got now? AN is equals to 132 plus 639.
71, miss.
771, miss.
It is 771.
71.
Okay, so AN you got it as 771. ಮುಗೀತಾ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್? Did you finish this problem? ಮುಗೀತಾ ಈ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ?
No, miss.
Yes. ಏನ್ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಇನ್ನ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ?
Miss A54 ಕಂಡಿಡಿದು 132 plus A54 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ ಮಿಸ್.
ಮತ್ ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು? ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ನಾನು? What is the question given?
771 plus 132 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ ಮಿಸ್.
Why you will add 132 for that?
ಮಿಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 132 plus A54 ಐತೆ ಮಿಸ್.
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್
AN is
ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ
equal to
ಮತ್ತೆ
132 plus
ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೆ ಇದು? ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಲೈನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? 132 plus 639 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡಿದೀವಲ್ಲ. Now we got AN. ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ಮುಗೀತಾ? ಇನ್ನು ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡೋದು ಇದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ?
ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಮಿಸ್.
What you should find in
ಯಾವ
this?
miss.
See, many students will stop up to here only, but they have not asked you what is the nth term. They have asked you what is n value in this. AN find out ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿಗೆ ಮುಗೀತು ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ you will not get complete marks for this. You should find out what is n value in this. So here n value you should find in this. So to find n value, what formula you are using? So that is AN is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now we know what is AN, that is 771. 771 is equals to A value what we have, A is 3 and D is 12. So substitute in this, A is 3 plus n minus 1. We don't know what is n, so write as it is n minus 1 into D value what we have here, D is 12. So put here 12. Now how you simplify this? First you take 3 this side. So what you get? 771 minus 3. What you get? 771 minus 3. This you can multiply and keep it. 12n minus 12. 771 minus 3. 768.
768 miss.
On this side, if you take this, you will get 12 plus 12 is equals to 12n. Now if you add 768 plus 12, what you get?
780, miss.
So you get it as 780. That is equal to 12n. 780 is equals to 12n. Now if you cancel this, what you get?
Miss. 65, miss.
So n value is equals to 780 divided by 12. 12 ones are 12 6 are 72 and 6 remains, 12 5s are 60. So n value what you get? 65. So 65th term exceeds 54th term by 132. Understood? So in this way you should solve the problems. Completed all of you?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Now we'll see next question. Twelfth question. What is given in this 12th question? Two APs have the same common difference. The difference between their 100th terms is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? Now here what they have given? Two APs have the same common difference. Now we'll take one AP starting with A and second AP we'll take it as starting with B. So two APs they have given. Two APs you should write. So two APs ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಂತ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. A1, A2, A3, A4 up to they have taken 100th term, A100. And second AP will take B1, B2, B3, B4 and so on up to B100. Okay. So now what they have given, two APs have the same common difference. Two APs have the same common difference. So same common difference andre ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? A2 minus A1. What is A2 minus A1? We are getting a common difference D. That same common difference is obtained in B2 minus B1 also. A2 minus A1 is equals to D and that same common difference is obtained in B2 minus B1 also. Now, in place of D, either you can take A2 minus A1 or you can take B2 minus B1. Now, what is given in that question? The difference between their 100th terms is 100. Now, 100th term in the first AP, what you have? What is 100th term in the first AP?
A100, miss.
Okay, A100, very good. What is the 100th term in second AP?
Miss.
That is B100. Now what they have given? Difference between their 100th terms. Difference andre ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು?
Subtract.
Subtract
very
ಮಾಡು.
good. So A100 minus B100, that is equal to what they have given? A100
100,
minus
miss.
B100 is 100. Very
100.
good. A100 minus B100 is 100 they have given. What is the difference between their 1000th terms they have given? ಥೌಸಂಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ A1000 ಮೈನಸ್ B1000 ಏನಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. A1000 minus B1000. You should find what is A1000 minus B1000. Now how you will find this? What is A1000 minus B1000? Common difference same. Now how you can A100 minus B100?
ಮಿಸ್ ಇದು A100 ಐತಲ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಅದ್ ಜನರಲ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ನಾಗ A plus 99D minus B
Yes.
plus 99D ಮಿಸ್.
Yes. Next what you get?
ಮಿಸ್ ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 99D minus 99D ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಮಿಸ್.
Very good. So here A100
A1 minus B1 is equal to 100 miss.
you will get 100. Now how you are writing A100? A plus 99D minus B100, how you write? B plus 99D. That is equals to 100 we have. Sorry, this you should write minus 9090. Now what you can get cancelled here? 9090 minus 9090 gets cancelled. So what you get? A minus B is equals to 100 you get. So this we got A minus B is equals to 100. Now if you observe here, if you are taking the difference between the first term and the first term of two APs, you are getting the difference as 100. If you take the difference of 100th term also, you are getting 100 itself. Next, you try for 1000th term. So 1000th term, how you write?
Is also
8000.
A
3000.
plus 9.
A plus, how you write 1000th term? 9.
A plus
A
9
plus
999D.
99.
Now, 3000, how you write?
B minus
B
999
plus
D.
99D minus 99.
Can you cancel anything in this?
Yes, miss. Plus 999D minus 999D cancel.
So what you are left with? A minus
A
B.
A
But
minus
what,
B is equals to 100 miss.
so A minus B, what you got? 100. So what you get? A difference between the 1000th term is also 100. Understood? So in this way you should solve this problem. Difference between the 1000th terms is also 100. You can just guess the answer. First term the difference tagondru 100 ಬರ್ತಾರೆ. 100th terms the difference tagondru again you are getting 100 itself. And 1000th term take difference also you are getting 100. Whatever the terms you take the difference is 100 itself. Understood, children? Okay, don't get confused. Generally, A, B, kottilla, common difference kottilla. So don't get confused. You should understand that question properly. Okay? All of you completed this? Next, we'll move on to 13th question. Now, what is given in 13th question? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? How many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So 3-digit numbers divisible by 7. Start agadillinda. You should remember when you get like this questions, read carefully. They are given
100.
3-digit numbers. See, 3-digit number and takshana nimage 100 anta ತಗೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ತೀರಿ. But 100 is not divisible by 7. So 100, 14 sevens are you get 98.
105 divisible ಆಗ್ತದೆ.
So you should go for 3-digit number. 104. Next, what you get next term?
112.
112. Next term,
119 miss.
115. So if you go on writing like that, which is the last term which is divisible by 7? 3-digit number divisible by 7.
Miss
994.
Which number is
Miss,
divisible by
994,
7?
miss. 994.
994.
990? Yes. So what they have asked, how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7? So in this, how many and the what you should find? What you should find? N value you should find in this. Now
Yes,
what is
miss.
given? A is 105. Common differences, second term minus first term. 112 minus 105. So if they are asking about divisible by 7, then common difference will be obviously 7 itself. Now we know what is AN. Last term we know that is 994. So it is a direct question. Use the formula AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. What is given AN? That is 994 is equals to A value is 105 plus N minus 1. You should find what is N value. So we'll write N minus 1 as it is. And D value is 7. Now if you subtract 994 minus 105, what you get?
$889, miss.
889. That is equals to N minus 1 into 7. Now you can write N minus 1 can be written as 889 divided by 7. Can you cancel this 889 by 7? 7 ones are 7, so 18 you get, 7 twos are 14, so 49 means 7 you get. So N minus 1 is 127. N value what you get? 127 plus 1. So what is N value?
128, miss.
128. So how many 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7?
128.
128 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. 3-digit numbers are divisible by 7. Divisible by 7. Understood, children? So in this way you should solve the problems. Okay? Next is also same, right? Here, how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250 is given. How many multiples of 4? So multiples of 4. They have the 14th question. Multiples of 4 between 10 and 250. How many multiples of 4 are there between 10 and 250? It is given. So here multiples of 4 after 10. 10 and 10 indane start ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. You can take
12.
next. What do you get? 12. Okay. Next. After
16, miss.
12, 16. Next. 20. And so on up to they have given 250 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ 250 is not divisible, it is not a multiple of 4. So which number is a multiple of 4 and it is less than 250?
248, miss. 248. 1 and
Very good. 2. Now 248 in this, what you got A value? A is
12.
12. What is the common difference? 16 minus 12, that is 4. And they have given what is an. Nth term is given 248. Now what you should do, using the formula an is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Now an is 248. A value is 12 plus n minus 1 into d value is 4. Simplify this equation. 248 minus, you take this 12 on RHS to LHS, 248 minus 12 is equals to n minus 1 into 4. So what you get, 248 minus 12? It is
236, miss.
236.
n minus 1 into 4. So n minus 1 is equals to, you can write it as 236 by 4. Can you cancel this 236 by 4? 4 ones are, 4 5s are 20, 6, 4 9s are 36. So n minus 1 is equals to 59. So what you get, n is equals to 59 plus 1. So n is equals to 60. So how many multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250? 60 multiples of 4 lie between 10 and 250. Understood, children?
Yes, miss.
Okay, so this is about the 14th problem. Okay, finished? So up to 14th problem we have completed today. Remaining 6 problems we'll do it in next class, because again next class I'm having. So we'll do remaining problems in the next class. If you have any doubts in today's class, you can ask me. Are you watching DD Chandana Samveda classes, all of you?
Yes, miss.
Okay. So 7th and 8th question solution is not uploaded. So it is by mistake, it is erased. You can check through the recordings. In recordings, the solutions of 7th and 8th question will be there. So if you have not written, go through the recordings and write neatly in your notes. Okay? If you have any doubts, you can ask me, or else you can leave the class now.